So I'll start with a quick unboxing, but I mainly want to focus on testing the accuracy and sensitivity of this moisture meter in this video. It comes packaged in this little display-like packaging and is a bit of a pain to remove. Included with it is a battery and 2 replacement pins, which are very necessary, but I'll get to that in a bit. You don't need a screwdriver to open the battery compartment, and there's a diagram on the cover and inside for the direction the battery should be installed, which I don't think matters as long as you connect the plug correctly. Next, you pop open the protective cover over the pins, and they have little rubber tips on them. Once you remove those, you're good to go, setup complete. When you power it on, you'll have several simple settings. You have the material type that gives you 2 choices, wood or basically anything besides wood. Then you have the hold button, which will freeze whatever percentage is currently on the screen. So I have a leak in my RV wall, and I could not figure out exactly where it was coming in from. I was hoping this would be accurate enough for me to pinpoint the wettest part of the wood. For that, I need to test and see how it would react to different levels of moisture. So I did a quick and dirty test using cardboard, which is close to wood but soaks up water much better. So I poured some water on a piece of cardboard and then let it soak in. After it finished soaking in, I patted it dry and let it sit for a little bit to let the moisture spread out more in the cardboard. And then I began testing. When I was far away from where the water was, it showed 0%. Then as I got a little bit closer, it showed about 6%. Then moving even closer, it showed 11. Moving even closer, it showed 17. And then towards the middle, it showed about 20. And then in the very middle, it showed 23.3. So I would say this is very accurate and can detect even small changes in the amount of moisture pretty accurately, up to 50%, which is as high as this can measure. Knowing this, I headed over to the RV wall, and sure enough, I was able to follow the increasing moisture levels to the spot where the water was getting in, which was at an angle from and not right above where the water damage was showing up. Sadly, I was also able to confirm the 50% limit this meter has for measuring wood. The only negative thing I can say about this meter is the pins are very fragile and bend easily. This is what mine looked like after barely any use. So just be aware you need to be extra careful with them. I gently straightened them out with a pair of pliers and they continue to work, but don't seem as sharp as they used to be. They also sell replacements online. So I'm very happy with the accuracy and quality of this meter, and if you're careful with the pins, it's a great tool that can save you a lot of money.